Ready to ditch the live streaming chaos and connect with your audience effortlessly? Today, we're unlocking the power of Wati Flow to create a seamless live streaming experience packed with interactive elements to keep your viewers hooked. First, head over to the Wati Flow website and log into your account if you're new. Signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the live streaming section in the main menu, usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click it to get started. Now, it's time to configure your stream. Enter a catchy title that grabs attention, a compelling description to entice viewers, and select a category that best represents your content. This helps people find your stream. Next, choose your desired streaming platform from the drop-down menu. Wati Flow integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. You'll then need to grab your stream key and URL from your chosen platform. These are unique identifiers that allow Wati Flow to broadcast to your channel. Copy and paste them carefully into the designated fields. Now for the fun part: interactive elements. Wati Flow lets you add polls, quizzes, Q&A sections, and more to boost audience engagement. Simply drag and drop the elements you want into your stream layout and customize them to your liking. Use the preview window to see exactly how your stream will look to your viewers. Adjust the placement and styling of your interactive elements to create a visually appealing and engaging experience. Once you're happy with everything, hit that Go Live button. Wati Flow will handle the rest, ensuring a smooth and professional broadcast. Congratulations, you're now live, connecting with your audience and creating a memorable streaming experience with Wati Flow.